What? At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, franchise the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know a full effect. You know what go already? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Watch. A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch. I'm the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yo. Where all of this havoc and tracing are going on the internet over because some girl are sure how much them want the world boss. I see some man I take up this and I go like a for them story. Yo, I'm telling you something, you know. I'm make sure I tell you something straight. Gaza Nation, I want to listen to me carefully, you know. Because I don't laugh with it, you know. Watch this. I don't respond for no man who do the bleaching. But a gunshot for boy who wear G-string. What? Yo. What you go like say? A phone saga, but what kind of tight jaws you have on? You come out and I go like you can trace more than the girl. Or you go like you impressive in a tracing more than the girls them so. Yo, what you deal with? Yo, let me tell you something. You not go get no hype off of the world boss thing, you know. You better load this thing, make it flood the internet till the album ready for drop, you know. Me no know, wanna come enough up on yourself in a this boat, you know. What? On a salt or no water? Tell me which one of them. Eh? Hey, me no want nobody come mix up my name, you know. Don't put me in and mix up, you know. Because me hear people are saying, you know, Vybz Kartel steal a style G girl. And me no. Yo. Me never tell you no already. Say world boss a top gyallist. And money enough to spend him a naturalist. And when gyal careless, them get captured quick. Me never tell you no that. Wanna feel like some form of gimmicks thing or some form of joke thing me I deal with. I wanna feel like I talk, me just a talk. Yo, me no know what I go on, my brethren. Me no know what I go on. So, if the man them a go come out and I trace like some bitch over this havoc where I know them are created. Me hear also man all I go live and I say some man all I wash drawers. Me no understand what kind of thing that, you know. Don't mix me up, you know, because I not too in a them thing there, you know. This is where I deal with. I don't know what kind of drawers washing man sit down and I go on with, you know. But here what I go on. If the man them are going to say, Style G vex, because Lisa Mercedes say she loyal to the world boss. Right about now, you know, if man a skin up them teeth about that, want me to the look man with them, the look man who a joke Lisa hype. Eh? Want me to the look man who a joke Joe the Couture. How you think them feel? Because I don't want to feel like them now, no man, you know. That's what I deal with. Because I remember, you know, my grandfather say, you know, if you want the pot for boil, you know, big wood have to push a fire, you know. Small wood can't boil pot, you know. Small wood burn out in no time, you know. Big wood have to push a fire if you want the pot for boil. A long time I tell you know, so you have to treat the world boss with caution, you know. Because him arm and dangerous, you know. Some man don't even know, you know. Say at night time the world boss spirit left him body, you know. And go all about, go fix up all of them gyal, you know. Because remember, you know, alien thing him deal with, you know. That's what I deal with. And the only way I see the man can service them gyal, you know. So happy that spectacular kind of service that them are getting, you know. Some imagination thing, you know. You know what I mean? Something almost like what? Like an infatuation in your own brain, you know. Girl does all a lot thought and I just a think about the general and crack jaws scratch is full of water, you know. You don't believe that? Miracle. Yo, you have to take bad things and laugh when you really look on it, you know. No, the ladies them I go out with them fuel over the world, boss. And me don't know where this bungler mama lashy come from. I go out like them want highlight R5. Yo, let me tell you something, you know. You go one side and go build on your own foundation, you know. You can't get no hype off of this, you know. You hear me I tell you, because you know weird draws, you know. A man not impressed by uni, you know. You try know that, you know. I remember, you know, say on a lollipop thing, you know, when it come to Gaza thing, you know. Because you don't know if you go out with nothing shaky, you know. You not gonna hear the general, you know, the 10-star one, you know. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know. Remember each and every time I do that a loud explosion, you know. Nobody tune to hear me not talk or say nothing, you know. Remember, you know, every boy on YouTube afraid of me, you know. And me easy, you know, because I grade my smoke and me not burn BD, you know. Just remember, you know, say, you know, before me even start show my face on this, you know. Remember, you know, everything when I touch a viral video, you know. I stop it, you know. I said leave the people them alone, you know. And don't want to sound like a little mix up brother or a little controversial brother, you know. Remember, you know, them not have no match for me, you know. Because them not know it, you know. You see what I deal with? Remember I change, you know, my style, you know. You know what I mean? I start come to the people them correctly, you know. Because my sister, well then them love the mix up and the gas up too much, you know. And them shit they run social media and somebody have to change it. You see what I deal with? And the general start showing face and make people know the real fuck and the real truth about matters. You know, I never do that, you know. Otherwise, you know, a wicked thing you hear on the internet, you know. You don't feel like a joke. You don't go watch Real Chat TV and see how the general used to be. People scared of me. You hear me? Remember, you know. You just remember this, you know. Viral video off of MC Nothing. Viral video off of Foota Eye. Viral video off of Tony Mataral. You know them people that who me I talk about? Me I talk about some YouTube mama lashy. The general run them way and them never have no argument nor no contest fee. Easy. You hear that? So let me tell you something. Don't ever go like you know want come push me, you know, to the way I'm sooner operate, you know. Just leave the world boss, make him get all the hype off of where him create, you know, my brother. You know, running on this, you know, like some big man parlor, you know. I go like say, well then, you know. I own name Ross Claude Purple Rain, you know, we show off the tightest tank in America, you know. Because that me hear American people are saying, and not even woman show off tank like Purple Rain, and I some sooner go on, you know. I some sooner go on for man, you know. Yo, you know, hold on the order, you know. You know, hold on the order, you know, you hear me I want, you know. Because you must feel like a lollipop thing. You think go up on the internet and talk certain words and try to create some lie and go on some way that I got make you be a macho man, understanding yourself, you know, before me turn it up, you know, gun it up and burn it up, you know. You hear that? And no joke thing, you know, when 10-star are representing a full effect thing. And I said the boss album soon drop. So all the havoc wanna see I go on the internet. Wanna try leave that alone. Don't come enough up on yourself and push up on yourself. You hear that? No man, we one another lovers of man out here, my brother. Them type of way there. You see what I deal with? So nobody come with a mama lashy thing and feel like say you can come take over this hype like a tight draws, you know. A fellow you nowhere. Remember ask you now, fellow you nowhere. You are the general, you know, the 10-star one, you know in a Gaza nation when me I represent, you know. And no joke thing, you know. A real thing me I deal with. Me not deal with no form of gimmicks thing about ya. You hear me? Some boy if understand themselves. You know what I mean? What them I say, apologize to boy with a flex like Jice. Bout a film choice, he talk say man nice. Chew him headshot slice. Brain melt like ice. Them dead like lice. Them a destroy the human race. Cause the same sex can bring no children. Man where I make man drill them. Take gunshot ear to boss now fuck for kill them. Give y'all cocky till them cramp. We no lit nothing. Not even post office stamp. Some boy a buy girl like ants. Have gyal a full up them face with eye like lamp. What? General, the 10-star wanna represent. World boss. Real magician. Watch.